Yo, got my first orders of the day. This is a Seize the Bagel and Sherry's, both going to the same person. I believe it said $11, going about 5 miles.
Thank you.
Yep.
And with the orange juices.
Orange juice,
Yeah.
gotcha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one. Just got a stacked Walmart order. I believe it said $28 and some change, going about 6 miles. All right, it really filled me up this time. Pause. Next order up is a Sherry's, $10, going 6.5 miles. My guess is that it's not going to be ready. Thank you. I hate being right. Of course it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. Oh wow, it ended up being $14.75. Next order just came in. This is muchas gracias, $6.75, going 1 mile. Thank you. Next order up is a Starbucks, $10, going about 3 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got a coupon there as well.
All right.
And receive a digital receipt.
Okay,
Give a great
thank you.
rest of your day.
Thank you for your...
Next order up is a McDonald's, $11, going about 4 miles. Thank you. Next up, McDonald's, $9.50, going 4 miles.
Just give it to him every time. Like Kobe's last game was
Next order just came in. This is an IHOP, $8.75, going under 4 miles. Thank you. Excuse me. Do you have Ronald?
Yes, we do have a Ronald right here.
Thank you.
I'm sorry about that.
You're good.
Wonderful day.
You too. Got my next order lined up. It's a McDonald's, $10, going about 3 miles.
Ronald,
Here
thank
go.
you.
You have a good day. Thank you.
Want to eat you?
Thank you.
A wonderful day.
You too. Next order up is a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $9.25 going 5 miles, only one item. Next order just came in. This is a Subway, $10 going about 2 miles.
It just popped up, so I'm on my way making it right now.
Thank you. Yep, no problem.
You want to go and grab the chips, hon? It's the next jalapeno chips. There should be 2 of them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Alright, I think I'm just going to be calling it here. Current time is 11:24. Total is 122, and I believe I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in. So let's go ahead and say 130, 135. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.